honeys at? Right here, where my stop at? Right here, where my go getting at? Right here, where my silver spoon women at? Right here, you the girl, let that know. You rent through, girl, let that know. Enjoy yourself, let that know.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Trace. It's your girl Bragga. How you doing today? AKA Purley. How y'all doing today? Trace. Alright, so today I showed y'all how I install my wig, how I pluck my wig. I'm gonna say synthetic wig. How I do my synthetic wigs. Trace. This wig is by Sensationnel. It's the Cloud 9 series. I had this wig before, so I already know how it holds up, etc, etc. Her name is Darlene. I got this off of samsbeauty.com. I honestly like the wig. I love the wig. Like I said, I had it before. It holds up pretty nice. It didn't give me that much trouble. It was easy to pluck. You don't really need to pluck it because it comes pre-plucked, but you know, I'm a little extra, so I gotta do the most for it. Trace. So this is my old wig right here. As you can see, it's still nice. It looks very nice. I tend to wear my synthetic wigs 2 times before I throw it out, cause you know, gotta get your money's worth. I believe this wig was $59.99, so it was only $60. That's not bad. If I do get the price wrong, I'll put it up on the screen, but I think it's $59.99. It's a real nice wig. Like, I wore this for 2 weeks, and look how good it looked. Like, the nape, it's kind of messy, but y'all know it's always messy back there, but I can bring this back to life. So, I love this wig so much, so I had to get it in blonde. Let me turn around for y'all. As y'all can see, real full and nice, real full and nice, real nice and clean. So, yes, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Period. A real girl is back. I'm back. I'm back to slay your wigs. Period. I'm back to show you everything I know, and I ain't going nowhere. And that's that on that. Who you know? Not about it. Okay. Anyways, let's get into the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Period. Alright, so right here I'm just showing y'all what the inside of the wig look like and how far the lace go. It's supposed to be 13 by 4, but honestly it don't reach ear to ear. So right here I'm just gonna apply my cheese bomb wax it all over the front so I can lay flat. Right now I'm taking my hot comb on the setting 10. I'm not sure what temperature that is, but I put it on 10 so it won't burn the hair. You know, I'm just looking everything back, making sure everything nice and clean. Trust. Now I'm going in with my heat protector oil just so it can lay down flatter. So when I start plucking, I can like, it be real flat so I won't have no bumps and I know what I'm doing. Alright, so with the plucking, it's real easy. I just like space it out, go everywhere. I don't part the hair yet. I start in front of the hairline because I want some of that hair gone. Like it's still full. Like I need it gone. But you will see me in a second part it and start plucking again. Um, my plucking is real like I don't know how to say it, like real sporadic. It's real like spaced out. Like I don't pluck in the same area. Like I go like back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And when you plucking, you want to make sure you're actually grabbing the hair and not just like tearing up the wig. You feel me? Like make sure you actually pulling the hair out, or it would be pointless. I'm just thinning out the hairline to be honest. Nothing really special. Yeah, I'm really just going back and forth, back and forth. As you can see, I slowed down the video so y'all can see what I'm really doing. I'm showing you the hairline. It's looking thinner. That's what I want. Now I'm plucking in the front again, just pulling out hair in different spaces so it can look more natural. Honestly, with blonde hair, you never have to pluck too much because it's gonna look natural regardless. But you just want to thin it out as much as possible. Not as much as possible, but until you feel like it's enough. What I suggest do, keep putting it on your head. Make sure you're not plucking too much out Cause girl, you don't want no bald spots. You don't want to be looking like you got alopecia. Ain't nothing wrong with alopecia. It's life. But I'm just saying, you don't want to buy a wig and then make it catch alopecia. Like, that's ridiculous. I'm just saying. Alright, you guys, so I already did my ball cap. Like, I didn't feel like it was very necessary to put it on camera because it's hella videos with ball cap method, da da da. Like, I do mine no different. Trust. I'm not gonna really talk through the video, but I'm gonna talk kind of. But this is just like, watch me slay my synthetic lace, period. Just adding powder to my lace. I hate seeing people video with synthetic lace and they don't even show you the inside of the lace. Like, hello, can I see the inside of the lace? Like I want to see it so I can know what kind of lace I'm working with. Like, hello. Right now, listen, all I can say is trust the process. I'm about to go back in and plug it some more because, as I said before, I'm extra. I don't have to because as soon as I pull this back, it's giving scalp. But I'm extra and I want it to be more bald. So right now, I'm just gonna party. So I know exactly where I want my part. I don't want a straight part. Oh my god, I don't want that. So I'm gonna curve it a little bit. Y'all gonna see. Dang, okay, Drake. But I'm gonna calm this all the way down. But I'm gonna come back when I'm done plucking. And it's giving though. I'm sorry, like, this is wrong. It's very dramatic. Like, it swallows me up right now because I don't have on makeup. But listen, trust the process. Hello. At this point, it's a whole new day. I wasn't talking as much because there was a lot of noise in the background. Trust, this is me showing you the back once again. It's very, very, very full. It's giving. It's moving. Alright, so I basically wrapped my forehead with alcohol. Now I'm using the glue by So Shar. She's a YouTuber. This is her glue. So I'm just dotting it everywhere, in little spots. I'm going to put 2 layers. I don't really put that much glue because it is synthetic, so I don't expect it to last long. So now I'm just using like this little spatula to smooth it out. If y'all see me looking crazy, I be hella focused. Like, I'm not used to recording, so my mouth be open and my eyebrows probably look kind of crazy because, you know, I was putting a wig on it off to my forehead. I'm just blow drying the glue now so it can turn clear faster because I'm not really patient. So I had to speed up the process. So now I'm just placing my wig where I want it to go. Make sure it's like real flat where I want it to lay. Um, I don't do my wig in sections. I just glue it at once. Sometimes I have to go back and glue down the sides, but that's okay with me because it is what it is. So I put an elastic band on my head to secure my lace, and now I'm just drying it with the elastic band. Here I'm just parting out a section so I can do my baby hairs. OMG, y'all, I'm finally back. It's been like almost an hour and 30 minutes. I had to wait for my battery to change. What? So y'all know? Oh my god. See, That's why I never really want to do YouTube, because I get so nervous and I don't be myself. But trust, when I get used to it, it's on and popping, period. Usually back in my old YouTube days, I would have quit, gave up. Now I'm finna do my baby hairs. See, they all straight. I got them laid out, whatever. As y'all see in the last clip, I cut it, whatever, trimmed it. Cool. I'm using the YouTuber, Instagrammer, baby hair goo by what's her name? So Shy. I like it. I just got it like a while ago. Not a while ago, but it was like a month ago. But that is kind of a while ago. So for my baby hairs, I'm just like taking random little pieces and putting gel on it. And I use my comb because when I use the brush, it always mess up my lace. And ain't nobody got time for that. Like, I used to be so sad because I'm like, I can't do my baby hairs. Oh my god, I can't do them. But honestly, with practice, it kind of works out. Because all I did was practice, practice, practice. Okay, like, don't be showing out on camera like I can't do my hair. Make this one a little smaller. And I take a good amount, like, on the back of my comb, and I just lay it down. And I, like, smooth it. Smoothing it. You see right there, that's a perfect baby hair. And I always cut my sideburns long because my real sideburns is long as hell. So, yeah. And on this side, I'm only going to put like 2 baby hairs. That's what I always do because I always put my part on this side because I like the way it shapes my face. Honestly, y'all, I like this baby hair gel because it really don't move. Like, it do not move. My hair, it don't move. My hair, it don't move. Yo, I say that a lot because that is my shit. Like, what? My hair, it don't move. Take my time, honestly, because I ain't really got nowhere to be, so I'll take my time. It's a piece of lace sitting right here, so I'm gonna cut that too, cause it's Richie. Hello. Anyways. Girl, I can't even see what I'm doing. So if I'm missing the ear, just know that's your fault, because I'm trying to sit here and cut. And I can't see because I'm trying to film. Okay. I sort of got it. I'm gonna cut the finger burn. Alright, alright, alright. I'm just plucking out a few hairs because honestly that was not necessary there. Alright, so boom. So that's basically it. Now I'm gonna just show y'all how I style it, like, cause it's really already styled, cause this is how I'm wearing it. mind my mouth being open, honestly. When I'm focused, I'm focused. Alright, so now I'm just gonna take some mousse. I'm not gonna really play with it too much because I like how it is now. Like, I like how it's not really flat like that. Like, it's real. You feel me? So I'm just gonna take a little bit of mousse and like flatten everything and like get through the ends, you know, make it like cute. Cute. This is no filter, y'all. This is why Sensational. What lace? And as y'all can see, look, excuse me, what lace? Like, they literally make that. Like, right here, that's my skin. It's, you know, it be light from the from all the laces, so that's my skin, y'all. But yes, so y'all, I'm gonna come back. I'm finna do my makeup and get all pretty and stuff. I'm gonna get all cute or whatever, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all how I look with my makeup and stuff, because I know right now I look kind of like blonde because I got on blonde hair and like, yeah. So I'm gonna come back with my makeup done. Ooh, girl, I know y'all over here trying to figure out what I had going on. I know I had a lot going on, but y'all get the drift. But thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I'm glad that you stuck to the end. Make sure you subscribe because I will be back. I will be back. I'm not even playing. Like, I'm going to be back. I'm going to be back. I'm here to snatch y'all wigs. I'm here to put y'all on the synthetic wigs. Every wig it is, I'm here. I am here. So make sure you subscribe. I'm not even playing. Okay? It's your girl, Tress. I'm signing out. Make sure you subscribe. Period.